clause 3.5 and 3.6 in the MOS by our 6 revolutionary groups, we place on record our sincere thanks for them. Out of the 2 clauses, the government of Assam has since passed the bill on 26/11/2005 in respect of clause 3.6, that is formation of Karbi Welfare Autonomous Council. Our sincere thanks to government of Assam and hope that the council will be formed and made operational without delay. However, our appeal to all our people to make best use of the council for betterment and upliftment of our Karbi people. Our struggle for scheduling is on, and it will continue till our demand is fulfilled. The Ukcc has a very broad vision for building a united and strong, upright Karbi nation. Let us come closer, join hand in hand to be a part of it. Long live United Karbi Citizen Council. Long live Karbi People's Unity.